Marmorino Palladino is a low-sheen, lime-based, medium-grain marble plaster used for creating a variety of stone finishes, from old-world distressed looks to contemporary smooth finishes.
The Marmorino Palladino Petrified effect.
You will first need to apply the Meoded quartz primer. Watch the primer video for proper application.
Let the quartz primer dry for a minimum of 5 hours before adding plaster. Apply the first coat of Marmorino Palladino using a trowel and a stainless steel spatula.
Cover the entire surface in a smooth and even fashion while maintaining a wet edge. Work in square yard sections, pulling excess material from one yard to the next. Clean all the extra plaster off with the trowel, creating a thin, even layer.
Wait for it to set for 15 to 20 minutes.
Check for lines. If lines are visible, prepare to smooth them. Rub the surface with a damp sponge in a circular motion to ensure an even coat. Allow at least 12 hours to dry.
Apply your slightly thicker second coat of Marmorino Palladino in a smooth, even fashion.
Make sure the thickness of the surface has the same consistency throughout, otherwise the texture will be uneven.
Press the trowel sliding from left to right. Don't press too hard. Continue to clean the trowel off after every few lines with a putty knife.
Wait for it to set for 15 to 20 minutes.
Press very lightly with the trowel, smoothing the top but leaving the lines. Don't press too hard or you will close the texture. Allow at least 12 hours to dry. Sand the surface lightly using 280 grit sandpaper. Sand only the top of the texture lightly. The sanded area will catch less of the glaze, giving the texture a two-tone color finish. Use a dry, clean cloth to clean the dust after the sanding. Apply the glaze. The Velour glaze is concentrated. It's recommended that you dilute it 4-part water, 1 part glaze. The more you dilute it, the lighter the pigment. You can always go from lighter to darker, but never from darker to lighter, so it's recommended that you start light.
For extra effect, add a second coat with a different color all over, or just in some areas. This builds different layers of color, creating more depth in your stone effect.
The Velour glaze creates an elegant, washable, water-repellent finish that lasts with longevity.